Hello everyone, my name is Pratima and welcome to my channel. You can see that the background has changed. So let me show where we are. Yeah, we'll play in the evening or something. Say hi. Oh, that a movie, eh? You all might be wondering why we are here. Let me just brief you all. So it's my sister's birthday and we have come to a resort or a camping site. It's near Electronic City and it's so nice. I'm sure you all might have already seen the video as in how it looks in Bangalore. I mean, at least for us, I am sure people who are staying in city would feel like it's the outskirts. For us to find a place somewhere nearby like this, it's a great deal. And the price also was reasonable. Hello guys, so this is our room tour. We already kept our things. All black today. Ta-dun, 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 ta-dun. Okay guys, here is the cake. Open. We'll open and see because we don't know how the Zomato person delivered it. So small. Thank God they give knife.
Yeah.
We forgot about it now completely. We could have got that plastic spoons also. No? Wow.
Oh my god. Freaking amazing.
I know, right? Smells also so good.
I am loving this. Shining they are. Yippee. Okay, I'm very happy with the cake.
Yay. My hair is looking kind of odd because I just took head bath and came. I didn't even get time to dry it. Well, it's dried now, but I have to at least comb it once, right? I have to just brush it once. I'll look like one. Watch. What do you think it is? I know it's a resort, but I think. Tanan 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 tanan. So I wanted to apply the silver eyeliner, but my sister did not, so I just went with the black one. But still, I have to do some kitapati now. Like I want to apply that silver eyeliner somewhere. So maybe I'll try applying here. This is a part of my eyes that never gets. I mean, I cannot apply it properly eyeliner there. So let's give it a try. Okay, so I really did something. I don't know how much of a difference does it make. So this is what I added. Like the silver liner. Can you see? Can you see here? This is what I hate. I get anxious while walking like this. Walk, okay. Walk, walk. Photo session is going on. Tanan 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 tanan. Who? See, I will put and show. Okay guys, so we just finished cutting the cake and we played table tennis. It wasn't really table tennis, it was more like a floor tennis or ground tennis, whatever you want to call it. And we had a lot of fun. However, it was too hot there, so we decided just to come from there and maybe change our clothes and get into the pool. Let's see how it goes. Okay guys, so now we are going to open the gifts. For that, let me just show you all. She's excited. Okay.
This is so nice. I love it.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Yeah, heard it. Hey, thank you, thank you. This is so cool.
Show here.
Actually, this size might fit me, but I might want a bigger size.
Yeah.
I don't know when I'll start, but I really want to do.
Show.
At least because of these dance thing. Because of these clothes.
Hoodies are only
This is
best.
so pretty. Okay, wait. This red also I wanted.
Unique color she chose.
Yes, thank you. I'm going to wear this for Stray Kids Kakao.
Oh yeah, nice.
This is so cool. This size is perfect.
Yeah,
I
that
think.
is large.
This is not needed like to change.
Yeah, this
I wanted this kind of clothes for red color. Yay! Thank you.